Reba Rose came out with this a few months ago, and I've been dying to use it. And this is just one of those recipe book holders. Put your iPad on here. I've made quite a few. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna add my Would You Bend first. I just picked out the side because this paper is not wide enough to go side to side. So I'm gonna heat this up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down through here. I think I'm gonna put this one on this side, and I'm gonna go and measure it. And then like that. And I'm gonna put some wood glue on there. And I do use Gorilla Wood Glue. That's sit there. I am gonna fix that up here. We'll cut that off, but I wanna get this nice and stuck on there first. And then we're gonna do the other side. I'm gonna heat it up. So now I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to get my little knife, and I want to score this off. I'm going to do it like this so I can put. So all I'm doing is sanding this to make sure it's flush with the easel. And as you can see, perfection. Okay, so now we're gonna, I do want to add more Would You Bend, so I'm gonna add that right now before we paint. Actually, I'm gonna paint this first because I want that to get covered up. I'm gonna paint this. But now I want to put on, I pulled out this little piece of Would You Bend. I want to put this down here just for a little zhuzh down there. So I'm going to heat this up. We're going to put some glue on it. Okay, so I'm going to put this down here, and now we're going to measure it because I want to make sure. So I'm just going to score it with my fingernail, and then we're going to cut it. So we're going to put some pigment infuser on here. And I am definitely going to have to iron that. It's got a little bit of wrinkles in there. That's okay. Oh, my iron's already turned on. Look at that. We are going to, actually going to dry this for a minute, and then we're going to iron out those wrinkles. So now I'm just going to scrape sand off up here. Oh, cute. Put on that other piece that I painted. We're going to put this up at the top, and I'm going to heat up the piece of wood again. Dark wax, and then highlight with some Posh Chalk pigments. Let's see. Get in there with the dark wax, just like so. Ooh, I like it. I'm good on my end? Okay, good. All right, now let's do the top because, you know, look at how pretty up close. See, now it all matches. Now I might, if I choose to wax the print, it's going to, maybe just a little bit, kind of give it a grungy vibe. Doesn't it look so pretty? I have two. I have red magenta and red carmine. I'm feeling like this color is brighter. And all this is the Posh Chalk pigments, but I wonder pigment. And then here is the patina. It's copper. Let's see, it might work. I don't know. Let's see. I need a brush. Okay. Try a place for the sign. It's in my office, Rhonda. All right, so this is copper patina, and it kind of has a rose gold effect to it, which actually see how pretty that copper is. This is a patina. We can try. You don't know till you try, people. Just a little bit. I like it. Look at that. Do you see what I'm saying? Doesn't that look so pretty? I was thinking, like, it needs something down here in those corners. And then one here. What do you guys think? I kind of like it. See, I'm a more kind of girl. But look, see? It needed something down here. Lots of stickles. And then I do like this little sunflower pin, even though it's silver. Maybe right here or down here. Ooh, I kind of like that. Or put it right there. And then we can do some stickles. Crap brush. All right, let's just put our triple thick Duraclear on our skeleton. It's gonna seal that in. Yeah, we're gonna do stickles next here. I just toned it down some with some dark wax. So see guys, dirty brush, see? I have to go because they can't fit in there. So, all right, I'm gonna take a really small brush. I'm gonna give them a gold tooth, okay? Which one? Right up here in the front somewhere? See, you could just barely make it out that it's got a gold turd. So now you guys want to know how to use some stickles, okay? So I can see some right up here. I try to find like circles or patterns. I don't put them on everywhere. But like I find little rope patterns up here. You guys can't really see how beautiful this is going to be. Wait till I get a reel going on it and I put my flash on it, and then it's going to sparkle like crazy. But do you see the stickles? I'm going to try to get it up close for you guys. Those are super sparkly, and when they dry, see how I just highlighted so you can still see the design, but it's super sparkly. So you
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.